What I'm gonna show you in this video is how to use this add remove mesh option. This is an option that we will use especially in our intermediate and advanced levels because it allowed us to add remove meshes and replace as well. So I'm gonna give you an example. Let's say that in this project we missed the pre-app scan. If I click here, I have a menu, right? And if I'm gonna click pre-app scan, I can load one, right? So by clicking load, my patient folder just comes out. And if I look for my file that I wanna load, in this case is lower jaw C2, I can just open and import into my project. And anytime I want, at the end of the project, at the beginning of the project, it doesn't matter. It's an option that you can use out of the wizard, and it's allowed you to import not just pre-app, you can import gingiva, wax-up, and generic visualization, which I use when you gotta import something extra like an articulator. I will explain you that in the next video. But anyway, right now I just import my C2, right? And it's yellow. Means that I have the possibility to correct the placement manually. By clicking correct height, I can bring it up and down, correct position left and right, move freely. By clicking control, I can rotate. I don't really recommend you to use this type of option because it's not precise. You have the freedom to do whatever you want, but it's not precise according to your bite. So what I suggest you is to use the align meshes, which is an option. I will talk about that in the next video. So another option is allow reciting. If you wanna make it bigger or make it smaller, again, it's not an option that I really use because you are changing the size of the mesh, which is not really good actually. But exocad gives us this option, so you know, it's there. Let's say that right now I want to just remove this mesh. By clicking just remove object, I select this part, this file, and I click OK. The mesh just disappear, and here on my menu I don't have the pre-app scan. Let's say that another example, if I have antagonist, here I have my antagonist which is already in my project, but I'm not happy, so I want to just replace it. If I click load, exocad is gonna warn us, say, hey, I have already a mesh which is called antagonist, do you want to replace it? If I click yes, I can import a new antagonist. All right, so it's pretty obvious and it's pretty elementary. I don't think there is something else I gotta explain you. You can do that with all of the meshes. Again, antagonist, pre-app scan, gingiva, generic visualization. Let's say if I wanna import an articulator, in this case here we are, articulator. You know, if you want to change the bite, you know, I import like generic visualization, and you can change the color as well. Set color, choose color, you just click on red, let's say, and it becomes red. So it's pretty obvious. I'm gonna wait you in the second video, which I'm gonna talk about the alignment.